Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be talking about the Losers Club, aka this new palette that just hit with box lunch gifts, which they have. If you haven't ever read them before, they have the most amazing pop culture brand. If you're thinking Friends, Stranger Things, it obviously, as we see the old version of what Pennywise used to look like, which I'm gonna go in on that a little bit too, because I don't know, I've been having this discussion with people and I think that Bill Scarsgard is by far the better Pennywise. Leave your comments below and let me know what you think about that as I get through and start showing you what's in this palette, which the movie's getting ready to come out and it's actually coming out tonight. So it is the Thursday, the 4th. So if you're watching this now, later, then you're either about to go see the movie, I'm going to see it sometime this weekend, maybe not planning on seeing it, you just care about the makeup, which is fine too. I'm going to uncover it just to see. I'm doing a kind of live unboxing on paper. I don't know, it's plastic, whatever. But look at all those colors and look at what you can see. Oh, there's the camera. But I really like the way that this palette is set up. I would have never thought that they would have a eyeshadow kit for it, because when you think of the makeup, of course you think of a clown, which we don't want to look like that. Or maybe you do, I don't know. It's whatever you want to do in your own time, it's fine. But I'm going to show you a little bit on my wrist of what the colors are, arm, wrist, whatever, to see what the colors look like so you can get a good grasp of what they are. So let's get started with that right now. And then I'll show you the blender. I'll just take it out and show it to you guys. So let's get started with the palette. So as we open it up, like I've already shown, the colors are pretty colorful. A little bit more colorful than I'd be expecting for a horror film, but they have this blue, kind of reminds me of the old school blue that you used to wear when you were in junior high and high school. You know what I'm talking about. I like this room 208, this teal glittery color. Come Home, it's an aqua color. Come Play, Dairy, of course, which the town is based off of. Float, which of course, if you know Pennywise, are it. The tagline, we all float down here, you'll float too. Of course, that's going to be in there. This really yellow mustard kind of looking color called Lovers, which we know is on the cast. And the SS Georgie, which was famously how poor Georgie gets sucked down the drain. Well, actually the clown drags him down into the drain. Spoiler alert. In the first film. So I'm sure they'll revisit some of that in the second film. But let's just see a little bit about how these colors look. I'm using just some simple makeup brushes. I got these from Target a while back actually, but they actually have some really good deals on lots of makeup and the quality is pretty well. So I've been using these for a while now, but let's just see. Let's start off with Losers and see what that color looks like. Really vibrant blue. You can see that. Already see how blue it is. Almost looks like it's matching my vein, which is kind of creepy. So this is a color I would probably use more as a liner, or if you're going for a more dramatic look, you could do a whole sweeping of the lid. But for me, while I like it, I don't know if I want to go back to old school junior high just yet. So more of a liner look for me. Now this room 208 is one that I'm really interested in. We'll see. This is really pretty teal, very holiday looking, if you look at that. But you know, look how pretty those are together. You see that right there. Then, as I'm blowing makeup everywhere, then this Come Home, which is another one. It's like, this almost looks, if you look at this green color here, very reminiscent of maybe like a mermaid. I don't know, maybe like it would be in a Under the Sea type palette. So you can see that green right there. And we're gonna look, I use my little Sephora wipes, we'll do this to get some of the makeup off the brush. Just for a quick, and remember to wash your brushes all the time. They carry a lot of bacteria. So that's why it's really important to always have cleaner and little cleaning wipes around, because you definitely don't want any of that clogging up your skin. Come Play. This is a little bit darker blue. And all of this, oh, that's actually more of a black color almost, as you can see. really pretty navy blue. But they're all kind of in the same color scheme here. And very fall, you know, especially since it doesn't feel like it here in the South, but we are getting towards fall. And this is a wonderful palette for that time of the year. Like this burgundy shade, it's gorgeous. So as you're seeing, a very fall, I mean, we're getting close to Halloween, so we have to have some of that fall color in there. And we'll look at Float, which looks like it will be, it's kind of a brown taupey color. And this is more of one that I feel like you could get away with wearing every day. And we only have 2 left. We have Lovers. Let's see what this yellow looks like. And it's kind of like a fine dandelion color. So as you're seeing the color on my arm. Yeah, I wonder what this looks like on. I'm gonna put a little up here. You know, I really actually like that on. So that pretty yellow color. And finally, this is the one that, this SS Georgie color right here is one that I definitely think that you could wear almost every day, just because it's light, it's glittery. Let's see if it looks like that on. You can see right there. And I'm putting it on over that one entitled Lovers, and look how pretty that is. So that's a really pretty, yeah, so that's a beautiful shade right there. I think that those two and this one mixed together too, look how well those all blend together. Such a perfect fall look. So you have a wonderful, as I blow off again, array of colors in this palette, and fantastic for fall. And that palette was actually really good for, I believe it retails for around $16, $17. And those are some colors that you'll definitely get a lot of use out of. It's a really cute, and of course if you're a fan of the movie, then I feel like you have to own it anyway. But as we're discussing here, as I look at Bill Scarsgard, he's not right here, he is back here. I just have to say, I don't know how anyone could think that Tim Curry is the superior Pennywise. And like I said earlier in the video, I've had this discussion with numerous people, and I've watched the clips back to back, and Bill Scarsgard is just so scary to me. I don't know if it's his smile, if it's the makeup. I remember when it was getting ready to come out the first time back in 2017, that when I first saw the picture of him in this kind of French looking outfit, he looked like a much older, sophisticated clown than we were used to seeing, more like Tim Curry was back in the 90s version, which was a very long time ago. I hate to think about it like that, but I wasn't sure how it's gonna work. And then when I saw it on screen, I was like, Bill Skarsgård is Pennywise. Now, sorry Tim Curry, you're still really good, but you know, he's a little more bozo looking, whereas I think that Bill Skarsgård is very scary. So like, subscribe, tell me who's better, Tim Curry or Bill Skarsgård. Am I completely crazy for thinking that Bill Skarsgård is much better? I don't know. I think I'm in the right here. I think I have made some valid points. And while we were debating on that, I'm going to open up this little beauty blender, which I probably should try to open. I'm so bad. I say this every time I do. I'm so bad at unboxing. You would think I would just have this stuff ready to go by at this point, but I don't. And up there you can see Bill Skarsgård's menacing face. And I just think this is such a cute idea. It uses the little balloon. I mean, it's not anything different than what a normal makeup blender would be, but it is red. And let's see. Yeah, it's just a typical little blender. Wet it down, put your foundation on. I just got in from work, so I don't have to put any foundation on. As you can see, I am ready to go, but definitely will be using this in the future. Go get the palette, go get a little balloon, you know, just go get ready for the movie, and I hope you're as excited about the film as I am. And if you are, let me know. Comment, like, subscribe. There's lots of fun stuff coming your way that I do on this channel. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway very soon, so keep posted on that. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned a little thing about the Losers Club and our Bill Skarsgård debate. Tim Curry, whatever one you choose, they're all clowns. It's all good. But thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.